Hello everyone, this is Rajamanikam from QPT. Researchers demonstrate a programmable approach to fabricating optical qubits in silicon for large-scale manufacturing. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems in human health, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence millions of times faster than some of the world's fastest supercomputers. A network of quantum computers could advance these discoveries even faster. But before that can happen, the computer industry will need a reliable way to string together billions of qubits or quantum bits with atomic precision. Connecting qubits, however, has been challenging for the research community. Some methods form qubits by placing an entire silicon wafer in a rapid annealing oven at very high temperatures. With these methods, qubits randomly form from defects, also known as color centers or quantum emitters, in silicon's crystal lattice. And without knowing exactly where qubits are located in a material, a quantum computer of connected qubits will be difficult to realize. But now, getting qubits to connect may soon be possible. A research team led by Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, Berkeley Lab, says that they are the first to use a femtosecond laser to create and annihilate qubits on demand and with precision by doping silicon with hydrogen. The advance could enable quantum computers that use programmable optical qubits or spin photon qubits to connect quantum nodes across a remote network. It could also advance a quantum internet that is not only more secure but could also transmit more data than current optical fiber information technologies. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can get my ebooks with a huge discount at rajamanikam.com by using the discount code QPT. Contact me if you are interested in earning a 75% commission for selling my ebooks, software and course. Thanks.